The answer really is that there's one is better. It just becomes a space issue, right? There's a, we sell a lot of stacked units in areas, let's say assisted living facility, apartments, places that have hair salons where you have a limited space. Stack work great. The only disadvantage is that if you're in a hotel, let's say a guest laundry, you don't have ADA requirements. Again, if you're in a assisted living and you want to be able to have it where it's easy to move it around and load, for ADA, you got to really have side by side. But they're really, for all practical purposes, they've just taken a dryer and put it on top of a front load washer, and they operate almost identical. Well, when you do a stack, they're all in one unit. So if you decide to not repair, let's say the washer, the bearings went out and you didn't want to pay to replace the bearings and do all of that work, the dryer would go with it. So yeah, there is some advantages of having two separate units. So the only time we really see stacked units is because of a space, right? Is I've only got space for 4. Well, I don't want 2 washers and 2 dryers. I want 4 washers and 4 dryers. And so the stacks allows you to accomplish that.